How to add or remove live captions to accessibility shortcuts on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down. Now in here, tap on Accessibility Shortcut. Then we scroll down and then tap on Live Captions. Now tap on the item to select or deselect it. Once you select Live Captions, it will be added to the Accessibility Shortcuts menu in here, Live Captions. And from here you can quickly access Live Captions by tapping on it. Or I can tap on it to turn it off. So here I will turn off Live Captions. And that will remove from the shortcut menu. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.